Sometimes we want to change our location because we can't sign up to certain platforms, or we just want to change our location because we want to target an audience from other countries like the US. A proxy server allows you to change your IP address so the other platforms are thinking that you are from another country. Let's say I live in Holland and I want to target the US market. Then a proxy server can be very useful. If we want to do this, then a platform like GoLogin is perfect for this. GoLogin allows us to change our location, so we can change our location to wherever we want. Let's say we want to target the US audience. Then I can use GoLogin to change my IP address so Instagram thinks that I'm from the US. GoLogin also allows you to run multiple social media accounts at the same time, so I don't have to sign off every time I change from account. I can just log in with all my social media accounts at the same time without signing off every time. This is very useful if you are managing multiple social media accounts. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can use GoLogin to your advantage. So first of all, we go to gologin.com and we're gonna download it for our desktop. I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna download it for Windows. And then you can see the download has started. Save it somewhere where you can find it back and then just install the program. If you sign up, be sure to use my code DEAN40 or use the link in the description so you get some free trial days. So if I sign in, then you can use it straight away from the internet, but if you download it, then you also have the application on your computer. So if you're first starting out, then you have to fill in some basic questions. It's very simple to do. And after you've done that, then this is the screen that you're seeing. As you can see, I have 2 Instagram accounts installed on here. So if you want to add a new social media account or a new FanView account so you can be online on all platforms at the same time, then we just go to the plus icon over here, and let's say I give this a name Instagram 3. You can also give it the name of the girl that the Instagram account is for. Press enter. We got settings over here. We can even change the time zones. Over here we can add some notes, and if we go to location, then we can choose the country where we are at that moment. So let's say I want to target the US audience, then I go for United States. And if I log in with Instagram, then Instagram thinks that I'm living in the United States. So if I want to use this one, I go for run. As you can see, it's opening a new browser over here. We go to Instagram and we're going to create a brand new account. If we use an older account, let's say I'm from the Netherlands and I already created that account with a Dutch IP address, then Instagram knows that I'm living in Holland. But if we create a new account with the IP address from our proxy server that is based in the United States, then Instagram thinks that I'm in the United States. This is something we want because we want to target the US audience, and using something like GoLogin allows us to do that. So we create a brand new account and then Instagram will show us more content from the US. What if we want to run multiple accounts at the same time? Well, we can do that. If we go to GoLogin again and we run this one and we run also this one, then you can see it will open new browsers and it will redirect us to Instagram. And as you can see, I have 3 times Instagram opened with its own IP address, so I can manage these 3 accounts all at the same time. Same as for FanView. If you want to switch between accounts or on your laptop or your PC or whatever, then you have to sign out every time you change accounts. But if we go to GoLogin again and we create for every FanView account its own server, then we don't have to log out and we can be online all at the same time on all the accounts. We can also add multiple profiles over here. We go to add profile and then we can create a brand new profile. Let's say if we have somebody else or we want to switch between profiles, then we can create a complete new profile. We can buy extra proxies. If we want to change our location, we simply click on United States and we can go wherever we want in the world. So let's say I want to go to France now. It's gonna load and we have our own French IP address. And as you can see, even if we have 3 accounts on the United States, we are all at different places at the US. This one is in Galloway, then one is in Kearney. Over here we have Chandler, so it's very hard to track. And that's basically how we use GoLogin. It also keeps us safe because nobody is directly able to find us because our IP address is changed and it doesn't redirect to us. So if you have multiple FanView accounts or multiple social media accounts, then GoLogin is a perfect tool for you to use. It also keeps you safe and also allows you to target an audience from another country, especially if you're living in India or somewhere like that. You're targeting only the people who are from India, then you're not making that much sales with your AI model. So if you want to step it up, use GoLogin. It's very simple to use. If you had some value in this video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you the next time.